Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So most of you guys have been interested in how to grow watermelon in the garden or in the balcony. I would like to share a video where I will explain you how to do this. So I don't have for now any watermelon seed because my watermelon has grown already. Instead of that, I will show you as an example from this seed. So you take first napkin and then you put the seeds like this. Then you cover the top of the napkin and then you water them. When the napkin becomes wet enough, you close it like that and then you put them in plastic bag. Simple thing, right? I'm sure all of you have those right now in your homes. And then you just close the plastic bag and leave it for in the dark drawer for about 15 days. Okay, forget about it for 15 days. So now I will show you how it looks like right now. So watermelon needs a lot of water, so you have to water them a lot, like once in one day and with a lot amount of water. So this is the first watermelon that we have. My husband and I are excited about it. This is the first time we are growing them actually. This is the second and the third seed, and then here we have another 1/4, and then we have also here one more. It looks like, oh God, can you see this here? This is another one. But also I would like to show how it looks like in the beginning. So watermelon, once it grows, it gives you this type of flowers. It grows flowers like this, okay? Don't worry when it looks like this, because this is only beginning. After that, it gives you a seed like this. So the flower part will be here, and this is the seed, right? This is the actual fruit. And so right now we have a lot of them. You see here another one growing, another one growing, and a lot more here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching our channel. I'll keep sharing with the fruits that we grow in our balcony.